Hi, I'm Suraj, founder and CEO of Decibels Lab. Decibels Lab was started in 2019 with a vision to enable technology and resource development for the automotive industry. Decibels operates under three main business verticals, such as education, setting up labs and center of excellences, and third one being offering engineering and R&D services. Under the second business vertical of Decibels Lab, that is setting up of labs. Decibels has established over 20 plus labs with various academic and industry partners. Decibels establishes lab with the two engagement verticals today, that is on electric vehicle technology and autonomous vehicle technology. As a part of these labs, we supply equipments and products that is developed in-house to enable our partners in creating and engaging learning activities through the hands-on approach. These equipments includes characterization labs for our cells and batteries, software development labs such as battery management system software development, and also equipment such as automotive software development for VECU activities. In addition to this, the powertrain testing such as motor testing activities and also our vehicle testing activities. In the areas of in-vehicle networks or communication protocols, we supply various different types of communication protocol test setups through which the learners can actively learn in a hands-on learning approach. Our aim of providing all of these labs is to ensure our partners or our customers will enable their learning activities or their student activities through a hands-on training programs, so that the learning becomes more relevant and practical to the needs of the active learning and also the industry participation as well. We urge the institutions across the country and the world to utilize our labs and activities which are developed by Decibels Lab around these labs to create the learning much more engaging for your participants.